dito. Siya tawagan na compound ka na. Okay. Loading. Pumugurang kung bataan. Pabs, kita na kog balay para nimo, Pabs.
Guys, ready na po mo guys.
Reading room.
Isa po, index po feed.
Asab na, Pabs?
Ora na yung kuhan ay sa cave, ma-staglat type.
Kasi Tagol State. Spelling nga daw.
Apa na lang ka ng bato. Bato na. Karadangke.
Bato na lang.
Oh, then sick na to akong report. Taglang, right? Taglang type. Okay. Taglang mic. Taglang mic. Taglang mic.
Sa tingin ilan, Babs?
Adlo kayo sa taas sa falls kay ay mga mumo dito. Mga tae pero walay tao.
More na kapaitan na ron.
Basta na itae, manang nga tawaan din na.
Oo.
Ay may tao. Basta ka ng tae rin wa.
Basta na tao, basta na tae, tawan. Busan tubig, Babs?
Water is very nice. With water.
Wait, what?
Water is under surveillance.
Matuan na mo, Ben? Bang masura. Such a nice place. But please, ayaw ninyo binilig basura. Ay, nako. Suksok lang mga basura. Please lang. Kay di lalay mamunit og basura ninyo. Matubagak. Okay. Kinsayo nagamba kinsa ka litrong tuba. Otro Babs. Kasi masulti na mo, Babs.
If you use the garbage, just put the anime.
What's up, sir?
Put the anime.
What's up, Babs?
Put the anime. I will mine. Animal.
Hello guys, good morning. Today we're going to make another vegetable recipe for your kids out there. Mga mamshi, halikayo. This is something delicious and nutritious for your kids. Okay, we're going to make ukoy made of kalabasa, squash, and pumpkin and shrimp. But we have to, if you can buy baby shrimps, that's the most ideal. But since I don't have baby shrimps, so I decided to peel off the skin and cut it off. Just remove the head, and then some don't include the heads, but I prefer to include the head because malasa kasi. It's more, it's delicious, you know. It's more delicious. And then, so I have now a bowl full of sliced shrimps, and then we have to grate the papaya. We have the small one and the big one, so we have to grate the big one. Use the bigger one, so our squash will a little bit bigger. Okay, for this, you know, it's like 1/4 piece of a regular, a medium size pumpkin. Now we'll add the garlic. It's also cut like elongated, julienne, and also onions. Pahaba ang hiwa It's sliced lengthwise. And then we'll have a dash of salt. Like a dash of black pepper. And 2 teaspoonful of 5 spice. We break 2 eggs. Okay. Haluin. Mix them well. And then 2 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. And 2 or 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of water, so that it will not go very dry, for the cornstarch to easily melt. Because if it's only egg, the cornstarch has a tendency to become lump. Add your sliced shrimps. Okay. Okay, now this is ready. We're ready to go. We're going to heat the pan and then put just enough, no? Not too much. Because if you put too much oil, you'll have a hard time forming your ukoy. You know, you have a hard time shaping your ukoy. Put your heat on the medium high. Not very high, huh? Put more, so it will have a shade.
Haha!
Good timing.
Yeah. Really?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Is that going to be utang?
Yes. Because Mama doesn't want me to pay. Mama always said, no, I don't want you to pay until it's a big amount of money. So
Yeah, it should be about 1 million or something.
do you get a free 1,000 square meters of land with that?
No. Just 300 sacks of sand. Beach sand.
All right.
Let do.
Yeah, don't tell them the ENR.
3 of you right now. You should cook something for Islaw.
Yeah.
Remember when you and Madman was here?
Yeah.
What did you cook? That's the only time I've seen. Karon ako kakita dihag green na ginataan.
Green na ginataan.
Oh. Gray ginataan pero gray og color.
Itong kuha ang yang curry kay giitog. Ora siya
The
kanang
plan was that.
ora siya katang atay bitaw may mo giluto. Ay adobo atay sa baboy. Oh, tunay nga na ang color.
That's the secret of Kumander, how to make gray gata.
We got that.
Gray gata of Kumander.